Hey, what's up guys? It's Nicky Bobby here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a stain in your carpeting. Now this can be carpeting from in your car, in your basement, in your house, wherever. It works on all kinds of different carpetings, and this is just how you clean it. Now, what you're going to need to do this is a proper brush. Now you can really just use any brush. I'm using a drill brush because this will make quick work of it. But very helpful, by the way, and they're not too expensive, so if you pick those up, you can use them for a lot of things. But you don't need a drill brush. Any kind of brush will work. Then you're going to want some towels. I'm just using basic microfiber towels, nothing special. And then lastly, some kind of detergent. Now I'm using a all-purpose cleaner called Law's Totally Awesome. Picked it up at the dollar store, works really well. But you can also use anything like Dawn dishwashing soap, any kind of all-purpose cleaner, even carpet shampoo, whatever you want. Doesn't really matter, just make sure it's pretty powerful. So that's what you're going to need to do this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stain. Okay guys, so here is the stain in the carpeting. As you can see, it's actually spray paint, so I'm assuming this is going to have a tough time getting out. But as you can see, the first step is to make sure you saturate it really well with your cleaner. You want to make sure that you use your cleaner pretty generously and you get it nice and saturated. Next, go ahead and give it a really good scrub. Now this part's super important, so make sure you take your time and you scrub it very thoroughly. As you can see, I'm using a drill brush, which is making quick and easy work of this job, but a hand brush works too. Okay, so once you're done scrubbing, next what to do is you go ahead and grab your microfiber towel or any kind of cloth for that matter, and just go ahead and wipe up your mess. You want to kind of blotch the stain, wipe it, and the whole point is to just absorb all of the stain and all of the soap. Now, as you can see, it didn't quite do the trick for me the first time, so this might take you 2 or 3 goes to get the stain completely out, and that's what I'm doing here. This is spray paint after all, so I did kind of expect that it might take a couple tries to get the stain out completely. As you can see, if you do use a drill brush, make sure your drill battery is charged, otherwise you'll be doing it by hand like me. Alright, check it out guys. The stain is gone. I mean, honestly, you can hardly tell a difference where the stain was and where it wasn't. This is where the stain was right here, and the carpet's still a little damp. That's probably why the texture just looks a little different, because it's still a little wet. But after that dries up, it'll go right back to normal. And the more important part is the stain's gone, which is really, really awesome. And this was paint too, and paint doesn't come out easy. So if it can work on paint, you bet it can work on just about anything else. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. If you found it helpful or if it worked for you, go ahead and give it a like. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.